If your Schengen Family Visa has been refused under Directive 2004/38/EC, it means the consulate was not convinced that you met the conditions to join or accompany your EU or EEA family member. This directive protects the right of EU citizens to move and live freely with their family members, but refusals can still happen when the documentation is incomplete, inconsistent, or raises doubts. So, what are the common reasons for refusal? One is weak proof of family relationship. For example, marriage or birth certificates that are not properly legalized, translated, or recognized. Another is doubts about the genuineness of the relationship. Cases where the embassy suspects a marriage of convenience or insufficient evidence of family life. We also see refusals when applicants fail to show that the EU citizen is exercising free movement rights, such as working, studying, or being financially self-sufficient in the Schengen state. Now, let's talk about how to reapply successfully. The first step is to study your refusal letter carefully. It should explain the legal basis and the specific reason for rejection. Under the directive, any refusal must be justified in writing. Next, address the exact issue raised. If the problem was family relationship documents, resubmit them in the correct format, with proper legalization, apostilles, or certified translations. If the issue was genuineness of the relationship, provide stronger evidence of shared life, joint bank accounts, rental agreements, photographs, communication records, or affidavits from family and friends. If the refusal was linked to your EU citizen sponsor, include updated proof of their residence, employment, studies, or financial status in the host country. When reapplying, it's important to include a strong cover letter. Acknowledge the previous refusal, explain how you have now fixed the issue, and attach the corrected documents. For example, my earlier application was refused because my marriage certificate was not legalized. I have now included the official legalized version with a certified translation. Also remember, under Directive 2004/38/EC, family members of EU citizens benefit from special rights. This means your application should be prioritized and processed quickly, and refusals should only happen in clear, justified cases. The key to success is providing complete, reliable, and convincing evidence that your relationship is genuine and that your EU family member is exercising treaty rights in the Schengen state. So, let me ask you, what do you think is the hardest part of reapplying for a Schengen family visa? Getting the documents properly legalized, proving the relationship is genuine, or showing your EU sponsor's residence and work? Share your thoughts in the comments. And if you found this guide useful, subscribe to the Law and Visas channel. Follow us on all social platforms at Law and Visas. And if you need professional help reapplying for your Schengen family visa, send us a DM today.